असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा गमय.
Hi, this is BVKR. In this session, we will discuss about the class 6, chapter 3, exercise 3.5. The question number 1, find the LCM of the following by prime factorization method. For finding LCM, there are two ways. One is prime factorization method, the second one is division method. As we learn, for finding HCF also, we have used two ways, prime factorization method and Euclid division method, or we call it as continued division method. But there is no need to add, no need to use continued division method. We just use division method in finding for finding the LCM of numbers. So firstly, I would like to tell you that we will use the prime factorization method to use finding the LCM. Okay, you know the prime factorization how to write. So then 48, write the prime factorization to divide the given number by the small least prime factor, that is 2. When 42 is divided by 2, it is 24. Again 24 is divided by the small least prime factor, that is 2, it is 12 times, and then 2 6 times, again 2 3 times. Now this time 2 is not divided, so that we will take the next prime factor is 3, then it is the 1. Okay, then we'll go to write the prime factorization of 56. So the smallest prime factor is 2, then 28 times. Again 28 is divided by 2 14 times. Then 14 is divided by 2, so that we should take the 2 again, and 2 7 times. This time it is not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. It is divided by only the prime number 7, so that it is 7 ones. After that, to write prime factorization of 72, 2 how many times? 36 times. Okay, and again 36 is divided by the smallest factor is 2 18 times. Again 18 is divided by 2, there is no doubt, 2 9 times. And what about now? 2 is not divides, it is not 9, not divisible by 2, so that we will take the next prime number, that is 3. So 3 divides 9 3 times, again 3 1 times. So till the process, we will continue the process till we get the quotient is 1. Right, now just write all the prime factorization of 3 numbers. Yes, then 48 is equals to, write the product of all these factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next write the factors, prime factorization of 56. 56 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. We have written like that. And what about the 72? 72 is equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And LCM. Finding HCF and LCM. Up to here it is the same. Then now for finding the HCF, to pick out all the common factors. Okay, just to say the HCF, picking all the common factors, and then their product is the HCF of the given numbers. But here we just pick out all the common factors and uncommon factors, then we'll multiply common and uncommon factors. Okay, now what are the common factors? Common factors are 2 is common, and second time 2 is common, and third time 2 is common, and 3, sorry, there is no other factor. See, how many times 3 is common now? 3 times. Uncommon. Uncommon factors. What are 2, 3, 7, 3. What are the uncommon factors? 2, 3, 7, 3. So common factors are 2, 2, 2, 3 times 2 common, and uncommon factors are 2, 3, 3 already 2 times common in these two numbers, so that we can write only once, 7, and again 3. So these are the uncommon factors. So to write the LCM of 48, 56 and 72 is equals to, you just multiply all the common factors and uncommon factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into uncommon factors, 2 into 3 into 7 into 3. You just multiply all these numbers to get LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3 8s are 24, 14, 144 into 7, 28, 30, 10, 1008. This is the process of finding LCM of 3 given numbers. You can use it for finding LCM of 2 numbers also. Thank you.